Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to swap crypto in Safepal Wallet. For that, first of all, you need to launch your Safepal Wallet application. Over here, you need to basically log in into your Safepal Wallet if you haven't already. Now, you are going to see the fourth option of swap here in the bottom. So if you tap on this swap option, you will be landed here on this swap page. Now by default, you are going to see BTC here in the top section and USDT in the receive section. So if you want to change these, you can simply tap on this drop down menu here in pay. After that, it is going to show you this my tab. So you can tap on this my tab in order to see what cryptocurrencies you have in your Safepal wallet. So you can select among those. Let's say you have Ethereum in your account and now you want to swap your Ethereum to USDC. So here in the receive section, simply tap on this drop down menu again. Then you can either search for any other cryptocurrencies, but for this video, I'm going to search for USDC. As you can see, USDC is available here. So after tapping on USDC, it should look something like this. So here you can either add the minimum amount, 50% of the amount, or the maximum amount. So you need to enter the amount of Ethereum or any other cryptocurrencies you want to basically swap. After entering the amount, it is going to show you the quote. So you can just scroll down and select the provider and the swapping fees that you need to pay. So once you have it, simply tap on the option of swap and conclude your transaction. Once your transaction is completed, your crypto will be swapped and it will come here in your wallet section. So if you tap on the wallet section and refresh this page, it will come here in no time. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.